Upgrade your ignition system with the CDI Unit Assembly OEM 32900-93911-000 from ICE Marine. Designed for Suzuki 9.9 horsepower and 15 horsepower outboard engines, this CDI delivers precise ignition timing, smooth starting, stable idle, and consistent power output. Built to OEM specifications, it features durable electronic components and a sealed marine-grade design to resist heat, vibration, and moisture in harsh marine environments. Ideal for replacing worn or faulty ignition modules, this CDI helps restore reliable engine performance and efficient operation on the water. Choose ICE Marine for trusted, OEM-quality marine ignition parts built to last. Visit iceboatparts.com, email seller@icemarine.cc, WhatsApp +886 966 468632.